Hey guys, I'm going to be answering the question, can you create a private table in Zynga Poker? If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so as of the latest updates, Zynga Poker does not offer a true private table feature in the way you might expect, like a fully password protected room you can set up for friends only. However, there are a couple of workarounds that players use to play with friends more privately. So there's three different ways. So number one, join the same table manually. So you and your friends can try to join the same table by coordinating the same stakes, table type, and number of players. This method is hit or miss and doesn't guarantee privacy, as random players can still join. But if you get lucky, those random players might drop out and then it'll just be you and those friends, you and your friends, sorry. Number two, use the Play with Friends feature. So this is only on Facebook or mobile. So on the mobile app or Facebook version, Zynga allows you to add friends and sometimes invite them to tables. Some special game modes or events may offer friend room or club-based play where you can create or join a table with known players. And also Zynga has tested clubs or leagues in certain regions or during promotional events, allow more private or semi-private play with club members. But this feature isn't universally available or permanent, so that only might be regional specific.